Hey, what it do? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Flaming Manny, back again with another video. Um, we're here on Pocket Option, as you can see. Uh, by the title, Jesus, that took me a while. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys me funding my account, and I'm probably gonna make some trades. I don't know. Stay tuned for the end if I do. This video should be going up on Tuesday, so you guys will be seeing it on Tuesday. I'm recording on Monday. It's already 6 p.m. so the market is closed. I'm guessing, right? Let me check. No, it's still open in some places. You see, you guys can still trade. No, this is open 24/7. It's just that it's closed on the weekends. Yeah, so the market is closed. Opened all right now. Besides these two, the Euro RUB and USD RUB, those are open. I know the stocks are closed. Yeah, you see, stocks are all closed because that closes like at what, 4, something like that, 3. Commodities also closed. Bitcoin open 24/7. I think this is gonna have a wait. It already had its crash. Yeah, because it was having a crazy. My bad. I have mold allergy right now. I think we have mold. Yeah. As you can see, it was going up and then it did the crash. I was anticipating that, but I wasn't trading because my account was blown. But I'm gonna be showing you guys how long it takes for you to deposit your money. I'm gonna deposit the minimum amount. I think is $60 from Cash App. If you use other things that allow you to send less than 0.01 Bitcoin, then you can use that. But I'm gonna be using Cash App. If you guys want to follow along, you can. This is how long it takes for you to deposit money on Pocket Option. All right. So in order to deposit money, in order for you to deposit money, you need to go to this left side right here. Wait, yeah, wait, no, it's right here. Finances. Then you go to deposit right there. You press that. Right here is where you can use your you can go ahead and use your, let me turn the screen a bit. This is where you would go ahead and make your minimum deposit amount. And if you want to use the bonuses like this, no bonus, or you can find bonus codes everywhere. If you want me to get a bonus code for you guys to use so you can help support me, let me know. I will find one for you and become an affiliate with Pocket Option. But you guys gotta show me some love. Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna use Bitcoin, Cash App, like I said. I'm gonna deposit. I think it's $60 the minimum. No promo code. You can go ahead and copy these promo codes. Allow you to get more. This one gives you 70% bonus, I think, right? Yeah. I'm gonna deposit the 70, no code, and then hit continue. And then I'm gonna go on my phone. I have a video showing you how to do this. So if you have questions on how to deposit money, check out one of my videos. I'll probably link it in the description or have that little thing come up somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll bring you guys back when I'm done. Alright, so I did it. I initiated it. I had to change the time, and so Cash App did this thing where they updated so you can deposit quicker. So it says it should take 10 minutes at most. So I'm gonna show you guys. As you can see, it's 6:09, and I just sent it for it to send. So hopefully it takes 10 minutes or less. I'm gonna be making 3 trades, each one for $5 when I get my money, so you guys can see that it's fully working. That's basically it for the video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how long it takes and all of that. So I'll be back when it comes back, when it deposits the money. Also, if you're wondering how do you know you got it or all of that fun stuff, it lets you know right here the status, and like this expired stuff, that means that you just pressed it too many times and it was just reloading or something. But that doesn't really mean anything. You do get your money. It's Pocket Option is legit. Yeah, this is all we're waiting for it to deposit completely, and it will be good. Yeah, on Cash App it shows you as well a screen that, wait, clean my screen, my bad, it's kind of dirty. It shows you that it's, turn the brightness as well. It shows you that it's pending. So that's how you know it's pending, and you can just wait for that to finish pending. I'll be back when it's ready. And we're back. So I received an email from Pocket Option. I'll show you guys. Since I have deposited quite a bit of money, almost I think 5,000, something like that. I did receive the money. It let me know. So here I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this, and it should show that I got the money. Bow. All right. So let's go check the achievement. If you guys don't know what these gems that you get from your achievements, if you don't know what these gems do, go check it in my description. In my YouTube, I actually cover what these gems are for. That video is kind of not that great, so if you guys want me to remake that video, just let me know in the comments. Here you go. With these gems, I think I could probably get a refund. Not too sure. Let's go make a trade. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna only make, let's see, you're only supposed to make like 5% trade with 5% of your account per trade. I like doing 10% because I feel the money more, but since I'm gonna be trading on Wednesday with you guys on Twitch, I'm not gonna waste all my money, so I'll do $2. I only want to do these 80%, but I know you're not supposed to. Let's go see. Let's go check this stuff out. Dang, everything's becoming neutral. We might have to wait for. Yeah, I'm not doing it for that much. Let's just make 2 or 3 trades, and then we can call it. Yeah, let's see. These I don't know. This looks like it's gonna go up. Yeah, let's see. Let's 15 seconds. Oh, what? They changed it? That's tight. All right, I'm gonna make it to go up for $2. I'm only gonna be placing 3 trades, guys. So yeah, you guys should follow rules. If you implement rules for taking care of your money, money management, you should take care of them or nourish them. Look, it ended up going up, but you know, let's see. Yeah, that should make a comeback, and let's right there. Let's go up. Oof. Sometimes you just can't trade. Obviously, it is OTC, over the counter, so don't take these trades too seriously. They're over the counter. You shouldn't be trading over the counter anyways. So if you guys are, stop. Over the counter is highly not recommended to trade. See, I ended up winning one. I did start with $59, and as you can see, I'm in 57. So I am at a loss for $2. I'm not gonna trade. Don't let your emotions control you. Just stop. I'm gonna be trading on Wednesday. You guys will be seeing this video up tomorrow, so I'll be going live tomorrow at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Central Time. I'm Houston, Texas. I might trade every day after that. I'll let you know on the live, so hop on the live and let me know. I'll be taking donations through Cash App as well. So if you guys want me to trade with that money, I will. If you want me to keep it, I take tips. If not, I'll just trade. I'll just trade the money that you guys give me. I'll also have my Cash App in the description. If you guys want to give me money so I can trade as well. But I'm not telling you to, just in case, because I had some people asking me on Instagram if they can give me money to trade, and if you guys want to give me money, you can. I'm not gonna argue with you, obviously, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow on Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. See you then. Bye and peace.